Lying is a sin. It is a sin. I'm telling you what. Lying is a sin. People are like, what about a white lie? I don't care if it's a brown lie, a white lie, a yellow lie, you know, one of those purple lies with white polka dots and all that jazz. You know, I don't care if it's, you know, a cuddly lie or one of the dancing and singing lies. Lies is a sin. Please, Ummah of Islam, please don't lie. Lying is so bad for you. You know, imagine that every time you lie, there's a little black line being put on your soul. I don't know if that's actually what's happening, but it will kind of give you a kind of sense that if you do it enough, eventually your soul will be black. You know, imagine your soul, like, just close your eyes and imagine that there's a soul out there, you know, a ball of white. You know, a ball of white energy, and somewhere in the center there's a core of your being in there, right? And every time you lie, there's a little black line, you know, just like an inch long. It's just a little black line and a little tick mark. And then every time you lie, eventually the whiteness will be covered in blackness. And then who will you be? You'll be a liar. You'll be lying. Lying is bad for you. Please. You know, even our body tries to reject a lie. That's why lie detectors work. Our heart rate starts racing. You know, it takes effort to fool a lie detector. Why? Because we have to believe the lie ourselves. And even then, you've lied to yourself. That's more pathetic than if you lied to someone else. If you believe your own lie, isn't that quite pathetic? You're like, oh, I believe something I made up in my head. What the hell is this nonsense? So please, I'm urging you, Ummah of Islam, don't lie, because lying is a sin. Trademark Abdul Karim 2017. Anyway, so please, don't lie. It's dangerous. And usually, like my mother always had a saying, although don't believe sayings just because they're a saying, but still, my mother had a saying that one lie leads to 1,000. Because a major lie, like if you tell someone a lie, you know, especially you lie to your spouse, and lying to spouses is dangerous because you tend to believe your spouse. You don't think, oh, my spouse is going to lie to me. So if you lie to your spouse about little things, right? Even little things, big things, they tend to believe it. And then they'll go around telling everybody, oh, my wife said this and this, and they're like, that person's clearly lying, or they're stupid. Or the wife is lying to them, and then they thinking that your wife is doing bad by you, or not trust your wife or husband. So please, I'm urging you, do not lie to anyone. It's not worth it. It's more hassle than it's worth. Trust me, I used to be like the super salesman. Like in my office, we would say, well, for me, I would give you all these things for free. And people were like, wasn't I getting that anyway? Yes, but I'm doing it for you. It's like, okay, I'll get your thing. I'll buy your product. It's like, I'll tell them that they're going to get all these things for free if they did it, if they did the sale through me. Which was a lie. Like, I flat out lied to them. Because lying is bad. You know? And I thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every day that I became a Muslim before I was that kind of person. You know, I became a Muslim after I stopped being that kind of lying person. Because honestly, lying is such a hassle. You know, it's like an act that you have to keep up day in, day out. You know, and all of you guys, if you've lied to your family members, grab some courage. It's sold at the store. It's in these bottles. No, I'm lying to you. I'm just joking. Well, actually, I was joking with you. Don't be all like, he lied! He lied! It's a joke, man. Calm down. Calm. Take a deep breath. Alright. Anyway, so, all of you guys, if you've lied to your family members, please, go to them and say, I'm sorry, I lied to you. This was my mistake. I was wrong. You know? Don't try to justify your lies with more lies, because that's just stupid. Then you got more lies, you got like 10 more lies that you have to justify later, and then you end up with 1,000 lies, which is just like what my mother said. So please, just be honest, say, I lied, I was wrong. Okay? And more importantly, if there's none of your family members around, but even if they are not around and you just can't talk to them or whatever, repent to your Maker. Say, oh Allah, I've lied in my past. Please forgive my lies. Astaghfirullah. Right? So please, don't lie. Speak goodness, speak truth, and come with me to goodness. Come, come.